Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, I'm Janisha. If you're returning, thanks for coming back to see me. In today's video, we're doing a luxury unboxing, and these are going to be a couple of pieces that I picked up and I want to share with you guys. Ladies, let's get into it. So like I said before, I purchased two luxury items that I want to share with you guys, and these are like the perfect must-have earrings, luxury edition. Okay, so I purchased an item from Fendi, and I also purchased an item from Louis Vuitton. So let's see which one we're gonna do first. Okay, I think we're gonna do Louis Vuitton. It comes in your standard Louis Vuitton bag, and this is my first purchase from Louis Vuitton, so I'm really was excited for this purchase because it was in store. It was a great experience for my first experience, so I did have a great time. I did go shopping with my sister that day, so I was really excited, you know, just to go shopping with her, some luxury black girl luxury shopping. So your receipt is going to come in like this little envelope if you go in store. And I purchased these back in September, you guys, September 18th. And it's my first time purchasing from Louis, so they ask you like what's your name, your phone number, and stuff like that, I guess, to build your client portfolio, I want to say. Yeah, so I'll show you guys the earrings and we'll talk about pricing and stuff. So the item that I got, it comes in this box, this little jewelry box, and then it has like a little pull tab. And if you guys follow me like on TikTok or Instagram, I always put like something that's like on my wish list that I'm reaching for, that I want to grab sooner than later. So I always posted these, and then it was so many times where I was able to get them, but I really didn't know if I wanted them because of the price tag on them. But I would see Pockets and Bows Brittany. She would always I will always go back to her video on these earrings. So yes, they are earrings, and I just would watch tons of videos on these earrings because I just was like, do I really want to pull the trigger on these? But they're so cute. So if you really want something, go ahead and get it, girl. You deserve it. So the earrings come in this little pouch. These two pouches, each earring gets a pouch, and then these are the earrings, you guys. These, I'm pretty sure everybody and their mama have seen these. These are the Louise hoop earrings, and these are in the big size. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'll do one at a time. So these are the earrings, you guys. These are so cute. So when I went inside, of course, I had looked online to see if my store had them, because online they will always be like out of stock, but they'll come back like the next day. So I just wanted that in-store experience for my first purchase, of course. So I went in store, I checked online and called customer service as well, because sometimes an item can say it's in store, but just go ahead and confirm, girl, because you'll get down there and you'll be pissed. So I called customer service. They say, yeah, they do have them. I actually tried to make an appointment because sometimes that line could get hectic on Rodeo Drive. I live in California, so I had to make an appointment, but I couldn't make the appointment that day. So I just went ahead and said, I'm gonna go in store. If the line is long, it shouldn't be that long. So they put you on the waiting list, and they tell you they're going to text you. So while we're waiting, you know, probably like an hour and a half went by, but we're still shopping in the area. My sister had went to Tiffany. We also had went to Dior. Where else did we go? Dior, Tiffany, and I think that was it. Yeah, so we had went to those stores, and then, you know, time goes by super fast. So we get a text. Well, oh, we also had went to Fendi. I'm sorry. So we also had went to Fendi, and then while I'm at Fendi, did my first purchase at Fendi first, and then because I was waiting to go to Louis. Then they text me, and they want you to be back, it seemed like, within that 5 minutes. Okay, so I get another text saying your appointment is canceled or your walk-in is canceled or whatever. But I'm like, my sister was like, okay, I'll wrap up here and then just go because it's literally next door. So I go and they're like, did you have an appointment? And I was like, yeah, I got a text saying that it was like, I'm ready to see you. They're like, okay, come on in, and then someone will be able to help you. So luckily, I didn't have to wait long. Fast forward, I get the earrings, and these are so gorgeous. Now, like I said, these are the Louise hoop earrings, and she asked me, did you want the small or the regular size? And I was just like, I didn't even know there was a small size for these. Now, I have seen, now that I've seen them, they are smaller than these. I'll leave like a picture here. They're smaller, and I believe they're maybe $200 cheaper. I'm not sure, but I just knew I had to have these because they're the perfect size. I love big earrings. The only thing that was keeping me from buying these, of course, were the price tag, because they do retail for $715, and they are not real gold. So a lot of people were saying, you know, like, I could go get something else for that price. Of course, understandable. But you know, when you just been eyeing something for so long, you're just like, I have to have them. That's exactly how I felt about these. Like, I have been wanting these for a long time, so just went ahead and grabbed it. Okay, you know, work some more hours, you know, got my bag, get in my bag, always be in your bag. But you know, I just wanted to spoil myself, so I went ahead and grabbed those. And I'm gonna show you, their return policy is you can return them within 30 days. You can get your money back, or you can exchange, or whatever you want to do. I'll tell you guys about Fendi's return policy and how I just don't like when like luxury brands don't let you bring back or get your money back, because it's just like, if I just don't like when luxury brands don't offer you a refund. Because if I came specifically for something and they didn't work out, it didn't work out, and I can't return them, and then I have to exchange for something else, it's a little don't fight me, because I know how you girls like to tussle. Or how the earrings look. Hopefully y'all can see. Like, this is this one, and then hopefully I have it on the right ear. But the earrings do have like a little like a L and a R to let you know which earring, which ear they're supposed to go in. But y'all can, these are so cute. I'm gonna keep them. So yeah, I definitely love these. Love these so much. If you were looking for a sign to grab these, this is it. Okay, item we have came from Fendi, Miss Fendi herself. So the box comes like this. The bag came like this, and it had a nice little ribbon to it. And then we're just gonna take this off. It had a little Fendi tape, receipt, and the item is sold. Okay, so this one came in like that, and these are another pair of earrings, and these were retailed for $520 with tax $569.40. Not bad, not bad. Comes in this little box also with a pull tab, and when you take out the item, it's real simple, straightforward. These are the earrings, you guys. Oh no, she didn't. No, she didn't, y'all. Look how freaking cute. Do y'all see these? Fendi. They say Fendi. They are gold. I don't know. I'm pretty sure these not real gold, but these are the Fendi signature earrings, gold color earrings. They also come in silver, and the silver is really pretty, but you guys know I reach for gold more often. It says these are 100% brass. drop earrings with Fendi lettering made of metal and gold finish. So I'll leave the silver on the screen, and I'll leave like a picture of the model wearing the earrings. But you guys, aren't these so cute? So I definitely got 2 staple piece earrings. So I really have not seen any. I only seen one person with these earrings, and I also seen like a sales associate like promoting these, but not someone that I personally know. So I thought these were so different. Now if you are looking for an alternative to the Chanel earrings, the drop earrings, they have like CHANEL, and I don't know how much those retail for, but I'm pretty sure more than $500. Okay, so and these, you get the whole word Fendi going down. These are so cute. Okay, of course I would definitely have my hair up wearing these, or you know, put back in a nice slick bun, or how the earrings look. So like I said, I would most likely be wearing like my hair back or straight, put back. Tell you before I forget, so with Fendi you have 14 days to return an item. You don't get a refund, you'll get like a store credit or exchange, something like that. So that's what I meant. Like if these didn't work out, I don't think I was eyeing anything else from Fendi, so I will basically be stuck with a store credit or my item. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you know the store, the luxury brand return policy, because they can get tricky. But other than that, I'm definitely going to keep these. Of course, I love them, and that is what I purchased when I went. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below letting me know what was your favorite piece, if you've been eyeing these pieces, if you've seen these pieces, if you love them, if you don't love them, would you pay the price points? And yeah, if you aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me over there. And if you aren't subscribed, like I said, girl, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, girl. Come. We are only getting better and bigger over here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, like I said, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.